Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers, reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. In this video, we'll walk you through the top HVAC trade shows and conferences, explaining the unique value each event offers, and why you should consider attending. Let's dive in. If you're in the HVAC industry, attending trade shows and conferences is one of the best ways to grow your business, sharpen your skills, and stay ahead of the competition. These events give us a unique chance to see the latest technology firsthand, learn from industry experts, and connect with fellow professionals who share our challenges and goals. Whether you're a technician, contractor, or business owner, investing time in these events can open doors to new ideas, partnerships, and opportunities that can elevate your career or company to the next level. Number 1. ASHRAE Winter Conference. This conference is a hub for technical knowledge and innovation. It brings together engineers, designers, and professionals focused on HVAC systems, refrigeration, energy efficiency, and sustainability. Attending this event helps us deepen our understanding of system design, codes, and standards, while keeping us informed about environmental trends shaping the industry's future. Number 2. AHR Expo. Known as North America's largest HVACR marketplace, the AHR Expo is where manufacturers and suppliers showcase the latest technology, from smart thermostats to commercial chillers. We get hands-on access to new products, live demos, and direct conversations with the experts who build the tools and systems we rely on. It's an essential event for anyone wanting to stay on the cutting edge. Number 3. IIAR Natural Refrigeration Conference and Heavy Equipment Expo. Focused on industrial refrigeration and natural refrigerants like ammonia and CO2, this event is ideal for professionals working with large-scale or commercial HVAC systems. It offers valuable education sessions, policy updates, and exhibits dedicated to energy-efficient equipment and complex cooling solutions, helping us expand our knowledge in specialized areas. Number 4. HVAC Excellence National HVACR Education Conference. This conference is designed for hands-on training and professional development. Technicians, instructors, and contractors benefit from practical workshops covering everything from inverter technology to EPA regulations. For those committed to continuous learning, this event provides the tools needed to elevate service quality and technical expertise. Number 5. ACCA Conference and Expo. Hosted by the Air Conditioning Contractors of America, this event focuses on the business side of HVAC. We learn leadership skills, team-building strategies, financial planning, and marketing techniques. It's a great place to connect with other business owners, share challenges, and discover solutions that improve operations and profitability. Number 6. ASHRAE Annual Conference. Similar in spirit to the Winter Conference, the ASHRAE annual event offers in-depth technical sessions and research presentations. It's a perfect opportunity for us to explore energy efficiency trends and advanced HVAC solutions in a different seasonal context, helping us stay informed and inspired year-round. Number 7. Service World Expo. This event blends HVAC with entrepreneurship and business growth. It's geared towards residential contractors looking to scale their businesses with practical advice on marketing, recruiting, and customer experience. Attending energizes us with new strategies and actionable ideas to improve and grow our operations. Number 8. PHCC Connect. Offered by the Plumbing Heating Cooling Contractors Association, this conference bridges the gap between HVAC and plumbing trades. It provides technical training, business education, and product showcases. For companies offering both services or looking to expand, it's a valuable networking and learning experience. Even attending just one or two of these events can transform how we approach our business or technical work. They provide opportunities to learn from experts, network with peers, discover innovative technology, and gain fresh ideas that give us a competitive edge in an ever-evolving industry. Be sure to check the video description for links to each of these events so you can learn more or register. If you found this helpful, please like, comment with which event you're interested in, and subscribe for more HVAC business insights. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thanks for watching. Perhaps we'll see you on the show floor.